Well, as many of you undoubtedly know, we recently upgraded to the Rock Crawler Triangulated 4-link kit. So you'll see these pictures here. When you have the driver's tire up and the passenger rear tire up, it does shift the drive shaft over towards the fuel tank. You can see here the stock fuel tank, it hitting the bracket, and here the diff cover hitting the skid plate, which we had to get trimmed whenever it was installed. So we ordered the add-on drive shaft to see if that would help some, since it's a smaller diameter, provides more clearance. Especially on the end down towards that goes into the rear end. We only got the back part. We didn't get the front one. As you'll see here, we weighed the stock one, and then we also weighed the Adams drive shaft too. So a couple pounds heavier. Now take just a minute here. So this is the third time we've weighed it. This is probably, you can see up here, looking good up there. So we just got the rear one, we didn't get the front one. So yeah, definitely a lot thinner than stock. Well, I shouldn't say thinner, a little smaller diameter than stock, especially down there towards the yoke. So let's squeeze the dirt. This thing has already been on the Rubicon. Got put on like a day before we left. So alright, here it is back towards the rear end. Now at the Rubicon, in extreme articulation, it did hit still up there. Right there. So we still got more work to do. I'm not sure exactly. We'd probably take it over to SDHQ or somebody, see if they can't tune this thing with the arm links. Maybe make sure there's something we can do there. The Rock Jock sway bar, I'm going to be honest with you guys, it's kind of perplexing because before switching the coilovers over to from the rad flows to the ADSs with the stock drive shaft, it didn't hit like that. Maybe it's just because we weren't articulating it as much, or I don't know if the sway bar, because we had them sitting down too short, the link's too short. I don't know what the deal is, so I'm kind of in a loss on that, so more to come on that. But yeah, this thing is definitely offers more clearance than stock, but unfortunately for us right now, it's just not quite enough. So more to come on that. If you have any other tips on this, feel free to share. As always, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys. Many more videos to come.